It's that time of the year again. The season for giving gifts and receiving gifts. Mum, Dad, Nan, Pop, friends, neighbors, colleagues, partner, babies and fur babies, Secret Santa, Kris Kringle. Oof! Now, you can do two things. Shop from stores like these, shiny, glossy, impersonal, faceless. The second option, you could buy from small eco-businesses who put their heart and soul into what they make and do a happy dance every time you buy from them. Today, I have shortlisted at least a dozen of my favorite small eco-businesses. If you happen to be in Australia, you can buy from them directly. If you are overseas, you can shop from their websites. Most will post internationally and offer some or all of their services remotely via Zoom.
Hello there, all of you Learn with Samita subscribers out there. I'm Tony from Tony & Co. I'm an interior designer and personal stylist based right here in Melbourne, Australia. And I'm very pleased to be part of this episode of Learn with Samita and offer a discount for all of you for a consult, either in person on site or via a video link anywhere in the world. You can find out more about what I do and look at the projects either on my YouTube channel, which is Tony & Co, or have a look at the website tonyandco.com.au, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.
Do your bit for the community this Christmas. Buy from 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗍 Auxiliaries. You could shop for baby stuff, crochet beanies, pincushions, wraps, dollies, stuffed animals, and a host of other things. 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗍 Auxiliaries will set up shop, pop-up stores at shopping malls, for instance, Royal Children's Hospital, Christmas markets. So, donate to a good cause. All proceeds are donated to Royal Children's Hospital. Now you'll say, Samita, you've forgotten about the fur babies. Not quite. My own fur baby, Simba, is an Auntie Kelly loyalist. And who do you think is Auntie Kelly? Auntie Kelly is a qualified vet nurse and she specializes in making cat and dog products like bow ties, bandanas, scrubs for doctors and nurses, animal doctors and nurses, and also doctors and nurses for humans. She uses only organic cotton for her products and ensures she works with an ethical and sustainable supply chain. Now if, like yours truly, you are a fan of fresh flowers, look no further. Go to Delaney Schulte from Dope Florals. Delaney only works with local flowers. Nothing is imported. Not one flower is imported. She is also sustainable and she uses posy jars which are recycled. She absolutely shuns plastic.
Hi, so I'm Delaney from Dope Florals. So I'm here at Emporium and we're part of an exhibit. It's called Rosé. Ooh, got a little flyer. So it's called Rosé. It's a bunch of mannequins that different florists from around Melbourne have dressed up in flowers. So I have a mannequin here. It's based on the kind of mascot of the QT Hotel in Melbourne. So it's a very fierce, kind of dark, brooding sort of figure. So yeah, she's up on level 2. And today I have a market with all my flowers.
If it's not flowers, but potted plants and gardening bits and pieces that you are after, check out the Biodome at Brunswick Nursery in Melbourne. Brunswick Nursery provides the perfect environment for raising and growing sustainable plants.
Hi and welcome to the Biodome. The Biodome is a fusion of architectural geodesic dome which creates an environment which houses plants, specifically indoor plants, as you can see. So what the Biodome essentially does creates an intrinsic environment which is quite serene and quite tranquil, but it also is the perfect environment to grow and sustain plants and sustain life. So it's essentially the perfect fusion of the two.
You could check out BioWeed, hand-tapped, sustainably sourced pine oil. It's an organic herbicide, chemical-free, toxin-free, perfect solution to destroying the weeds in your garden.
We are based on the sunny coast in Queensland. It's a lot different to where we are here in Melbourne. Otherwise, you can purchase online, www.bioweed.com.au. Email or give us a call if you have any further questions. It's just a team of myself and my lovely manager over here, Katie. Yeah, we post Australia-wide. Free shipping for all orders over $50. Otherwise, it's a flat rate of $9.95 for shipping under that.
We at AoDA handwrite your messages, your Christmas messages, with every purchase that you make at AoDA. It's complimentary. However, if you want to make a statement, get your messages professionally handwritten. Yes, there is something called calligraphy, and there are some very talented calligraphists in Melbourne, Victoria. Get in touch with Deirdre from the Calligraphy Society of Victoria.
My name's Deirdre.
Yeah.
and
Did they want to learn calligraphy?
the Calligraphy Society of Victoria.
And now, drum rolls. We have a big offer coming up. And who is the offer from? The offer is from none other than Tony. Who is Tony? Tony is the owner of Melbourne-based business Tony & Co. Tony is a residential and commercial interior designer and a personal stylist. She loves making people and places look great and feel great. Now Tony has offered something very special for the subscribers of Learn with Samita. Thank you, Tony. What's on offer? 10% off on a personal 2-hour consultation in person or on video. Now this could be for your home, for your office, or a personal styling session. Isn't that good? Those were my top picks for Christmas eco shopping. Coming up next, how to sustainably gift wrap your Christmas prezzies. Till next week, Feliz Navidad!